To create a 2Checkout account for Shopify, follow these steps. Sign up on 2Checkout. Visit the 2Checkout website. Click on the Sign Up button and enter your business details, including your name, email, business address, and tax information. Select your country and choose your preferred currency for transactions. Activate your account. Once you've submitted the sign-up form, you will receive an email to verify your account. Click the verification link to activate your account. After verification, log into your 2Checkout dashboard. Set up Payment Gateway. Go to the Settings section in your 2Checkout dashboard and select Payment Integration to set up your payment gateway. Choose Shopify as your e-commerce platform. Install 2Checkout on Shopify. Log into your Shopify admin panel and go to the App section. Search for 2Checkout and install the official app for Shopify. Follow the prompts to connect your 2Checkout account to Shopify by entering your 2Checkout account credentials. Configure payment settings. Once connected, configure payment settings such as currency, payment methods, and checkout preferences. Ensure that 2Checkout is set as a payment option on your Shopify store.